You are just done with your latest YouTube video and you upload it to YouTube, you click publish and then nothing. It's a 10 out of 10 in the rankings. It performs really bad, no views, no likes, no comments. And by the end of this video, hopefully I can teach you my thinking process and how I post YouTube videos to climb the ladder to become a 1 out of 10 in the ranking and become the best video that I've posted every single time. First of all, we need to figure out what you're supposed to do after you have created your video and you are uploading it to YouTube. Before you click publish, there are some tips and tricks. SEO is one of them, and it stands for search engine optimization. What is a search engine, you ask? Google, Bing, and even YouTube.com. When you are searching something on YouTube, you will most likely get videos, obviously. And the same thing is when you are searching something on Google. YouTube and Google are not so far apart. Actually, YouTube is owned by Google. It makes sense that when you are searching on Google like how to make you will get a bunch of links. You click on the links and it either gives you a blog or a website or a Reddit or whatever. But on YouTube, it gives you videos. If you are imagining YouTube as Google, we need to figure out how you can apply the Google search engine thing into your videos to optimize your videos for search. YouTube isn't a person. What I mean by this is that YouTube doesn't watch your video. So YouTube doesn't really know what your video is about. So that's why we are adding a title to the video so we can tell people basically that my video is about this and that. And that helps YouTube to understand, okay, your video is about how to bake a cake. Good, but YouTube doesn't really know where to put your video. They will put your videos right next to other similar videos. But the easiest way to get your videos shown on the side of another video, or when you are searching for how to do something and you will be one of the first videos on top, the easiest way to search engine optimize or SEO is to give YouTube more information. How can we give YouTube more information? First of all, like I said, it's a title. The title needs to be informative. What is your video about? It's how to bake a specific cake, like how to bake donuts or how to bake a birthday cake or whatever. Then YouTube have some information. Then underneath, fill out your description, but don't put a bunch of random stuff in the description. First of all, YouTube will scan your description and figure out what your video is about. And if you just put a bunch of random stuff or put stuff from other creators in your description and it doesn't match the video, you will be in the risk of YouTube taking down your videos. Make sure that your description is matching the video. YouTube are using a lot of different techniques to understand what your video is about. YouTube are listening to your video, tries to understand what you're saying. That's why you have captions underneath. I want people that doesn't understand what I'm saying, or for people that can't hear what I'm saying. If they're on the bus, they don't want to be noisy, they don't have headphones, they will just read the captions. And YouTube uses the same thing. When you are talking in your videos and they will take that audio, make it into text and read the text and be like, oh, this video is about how to bake a cake, as an example. You are making captions for your videos either before you post the video or afterwards in the YouTube editor. You can make captions and subtitles for whatever you are saying. And there are even automatically tools. In Premiere, for example, it has a built-in caption tool that will listen to you what you're saying and try to figure it out and just spell it out in the caption for you. You can then create a side file that you can upload to YouTube. Just make sure that you are checking the captions before you're posting the video so you can understand if the captions have been captured correctly and the subtitles will show correctly. YouTube also have tags, like video tags. Underneath, you will see a section where you can type in your tags for your videos. Tags back in the days, used to be a huge thing for YouTube because YouTube didn't work with the algorithm before. That is not the case anymore. Like I said, watch time is the king of YouTube these days. Tags are also for YouTube to understand what your video is about, but it's mainly for misspelling. So if people are typing something and they're misspelling like your YouTube channel name or something, they will find your video. My thought process when I'm posting videos is, first of all, a good thumbnail. That's key. Good title, so people can understand what my video is about. In most cases, link the title and thumbnail so I don't repeat what I'm saying in the thumbnail in the title. It's kind of a package together. Then I will have in the description, I will have keywords that will rank my videos in search. For example, like I said before, if the video is about cake, I will have, in this video, I will be making cake, and I will be using different ingredients to make this cake. That's 2 times the same word as in the title. And then afterwards, I will go ahead and have the tags with cakes or cake, basically feeding YouTube with information. And then on top of that, I will put the captions, subtitles, and YouTube will read the subtitles, read the description and the title and the tags, and from then can understand what the video is about. Make sure it gets ranked in search, so when people are searching how to bake cake, my video will be number 2 or number 1 if you're lucky. Afterwards, people will click on the video and they will be watching the video. And if you want to learn a bit more about watch time and how you can keep the viewer watching your video all the way through, you should watch this video. Espion, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.